Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new item to the Invoices application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the items button down below, which is the fourth button, and click on this plus icon in the left side, in the right side corner of the screen at the bottom. Then you should type in the name or the description of your product. After that, you should set the unit cost. Set the unit, which is now set to hours and days, but you can change it. Here you can set whether it is taxable or not, so tap on this button. And here you can add additional details about your product. So type it in, and when you are done, just simply tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen and it will be added to this section, as you can see. If you want to edit it, just tap on it and click on the relevant section you would like to alter, and then you can delete it if you tap on this bin icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on delete. So you will get rid of it at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.